Hello and welcome to today's video. Now this AI method, I've literally just stumbled upon this today and it's awesome. And I was doing some quick math before the video and this method so far has generated $23,515, which is insane. Now the idea for today's video came about because I was doing a little bit of research for the website over here, because we're always looking at different ways to make money online and from home. And I was just over on Etsy. I'll show you this now. So we was over on we was on this page over here. So let me click on the back button so I can show you all of this and how I came across this. So you see this over here. Someone on Etsy has got this product and it's ChatGPT Etsy listing generator. So basically what they're doing here is they've got this guide here which is using ChatGPT, which is AI, and they're selling this on Etsy. Now you can see over here it's a digital download, which is crazy. Now if we come further on the page here, we will see learn more about this item. Excuse me, let's come a bit further down. They are getting, where is it? Look, it's a digital product. It's available as a PDF that directs you to a Google Doc, and that's it. Now that sounds ridiculous, okay, but I'm going to show you how you can do this with no skills, with no experience, and you can get a lot of listings up pretty quickly with this method because we're going to use something which is known as PLR. Now let me come back up here and I'll show you this. So this is the person, this is this listing, sorry. If I go over into their shop, which is this one over here, we can see they've had 4,700 sales. Now the maths that I've done over here, I've just done this as an average across the shop. So if we scroll down here, you can see they've got products for £9.13, 7, 5. Now I'm in the UK, so this is UK pricing. So I've taken this as a $5 average across the shop, okay? Now obviously, as I said, there's some items that are a bit less than that, so like this one here, and there's items a lot more than that, but on average we're going with $5. Now you'll notice a lot of these PDFs that they're selling in here are prompts. So prompts for writing a book, prompts for social media, this one over here, writing prompts, another one, another one, another one. So all they're selling here is prompts for ChatGPT, and then they've got prompts over here for Midjourney, which if you don't know, is an AI art generator. It's a paid one. If you want a free one, you can go and try this one out, by the way, because this launched a few months ago and it's still free. It's called Blue Willow. But if we come back over here, we can go through and have a look at their shop. And yeah, it's unreal. It's unreal. But I want to show you how you can do this method yourself without having to spend a lot of time on this. And it's pretty straightforward and simple. So we're going to use PLR for this. Now, if you don't know what PLR stands for, it means private label rights. Now, if I come onto Google here, you can see I've just typed in ChatGPT PLR, and currently already 70 people a month are searching for this. So if we're coming down here, look, we've got this product here, we've got, come further down, we've got this product over here, this one, and there's lots of these actually, these different PLR sites. So I'll give you an example of this and then we'll talk about what you can do with this. So if I go into this product here, this is called Muncheye. So if I come on this website here, it tells me about the actual products. Now, this is for affiliate marketers, but you don't have to be an affiliate marketer for this. You can use this website to find these PLR products. So if I click on here, on the right-hand side where it says the JV page, I can go through to this and find out more information about this product over here, okay? So if I scroll down, I just want to show you this, okay? So let me come a bit further down. So I can buy private label rights to this product about ChatGPT and also the prompts. So this one here is focused on using ChatGPT for business. Okay, so we can see over here this is what the product is. But here's the cool thing about PLR. Okay, you can see it saves you time and effort. It's cost effective. It's flexible. You get resale rights with this. So look, you can buy this and sell the PLR product as your own, so you can make money with this, which is perfect. And if we scroll further down the page here, look, it tells you what you can do. So private label rights, it will always tell you what you can and can't do with the product. So with this one, you can edit the product, you can put your name on it, it can be broken down into articles, it can be used as web content. But let's come down, look, you can use it as an e-course, it can be given away in any format. You can sell it, you can add it into paid membership sites, free membership. You can basically, with this one here, do what you want with it, okay? Look, you can even sell master resale rights to this if you wanted. can see, look, it can be used for personalized. Basically, look, you can do whatever you want with this product. So you could go ahead and buy this, and you could be selling this product here yourself on a platform like Etsy. Now, this here is just one example. Let me share with you a couple more. So over on this platform over here, this is called Warrior Plus, okay? Now, you can create an account for free, and to find any products with ChatGPT or PLR rights, all we do is we come up here to where it says affiliate, and we go down to offers. Then on this page here, we just type in what we're looking for. So I'm going to type in ChatGPT, and I'm going to type in PLR, okay? And I'm going to hit on enter, and then we'll scroll down and see what's available. So it's saying nothing is available, but I know there is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this and hit on enter. So let's scroll down. Now we can see we've got a lot more in here. So let's just come down so we can see click GPT Blaster, website publisher. There is a hell of a lot on here. Look, Baby Simple AI royalties, ChatGPT. Here we go. Look, ChatGPT PLR package, writing and publishing ebooks. So there's one that we could get. And again, if we just go further down, look, ChatGPT PLR and tutorials. There's another one. This one here, look, PLR. Come further down the page. I'm sure there's lots more in here. So all we're doing is we're finding one we like the look of. So let's go and have a look at, let's just find one. This one here, writing and publishing ebooks. So I'm going to open this up so I can see more information about this product. Now, if I just want to go over to the sales page for this, then all I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the right hand side and click on view sales page. Now it's opening up to the sales page, and I can see what this is. So look, become a published author using ChatGPT, and this is a guide for writing books. So let's take that. So writing and publishing books with ChatGPT. I'm going to come on here. So I'm going to come out there. I'm going to come out of there, and I'm going to go back over onto Etsy, and I'm going to type in ChatGPT for writers as an example, okay? And we'll hit enter. And then, look, we've got this one over here, passive income with ChatGPT. Here's one. How to use ChatGPT, no writing. Come further down the page, we've got prompts for teachers. Look, you can see there's lots of examples on here of people who are actually going ahead and selling these products. And if you go into some of these actual listings, you will notice most of them are by a handful of people. So like this one over here, the Templates Hub, again, the Templates Hub. Scroll further down the page. We've got Life Waters, this one, ChatGPT Mastery. So all we can do here is we can go into these different, sellers. Let's have a look at this Templates Hub and see what they're selling in their shop. So, I mean, this one here, look, it's just a spreadsheet. They're selling, look, 4,000 ChatGPT prompts in a spreadsheet. They're selling it for £6, which is about $7.50. Look, 62 shop reviews, 5-star. Scroll further on the page here, it will tell us what we get. So look, your files will be available to download once payment is confirmed, instant download, etc. So again, I can go into their shop now. So let's go over into this seller and have a look at their different items that they're selling. Because, the thing is, when it comes to creating any product online, people say success leaves clues, and it does. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can see what's already selling in the marketplace and go ahead and create your own. Because I can tell you now, it's like this one here, this Midjourney colouring pages, or this one down here. These will be very similar to what we found over here I've closed the page on the first page that we looked at in here. They will not be drastically different. The thing what will be different will be the images that we can see on the front over here. But I could go ahead and get this item with full PLR rights. It will show you how to create a profitable ebook in any niche. Let's scroll further on the page. How much is this? Is it going to be a lot of money? No. Look, it's going to be $10. For $10, we get a full step-by-step guide. We get this in editable formats. We get bonus items. They even throw in a website and graphics, full private label rights, customer support, and 30 days money back guarantee for $10. So I could go ahead and buy this product here for $10. I could get this here with a guide and videos and other stuff, and then I can sell this as my own. I could go ahead and sell it on Etsy. I could even put it over onto Amazon on the KDP platform and do that. And all you can do is you have a few options when it comes to buying and selling PLR. You could buy this and just sell it as it is, but I wouldn't recommend that. What I would say to do is you would go through, you'd change it, you would edit it so it's unique and your own. So for example, if you was to go ahead and buy this, you can see here, this could potentially be one of your images over on Etsy. But you'd create your own images using a free piece of software like Canva. It's really straightforward. So I want to see it become a published author using ChatGPT. Let's see. Let's just type in become a published author. What did it say? I want to copy it word for word. Become a published author using ChatGPT. So let's go back over here. Using ChatGPT. See if anyone's selling that exact thing. Or I'm also looking for the actual image from the sales page. So no one is actually selling this item over on Etsy. They've kind of got this one over here in a way and this one as well. But you could go ahead, buy that product, and then you could even, from buying this one product over here, you could create 2 products from this. So you could put multiple listings for this. So like this one here, create a non-fiction book from scratch. That could be a listing. Then you could do another listing. So it could be how to become a published author, I don't know, about kids books or health and fitness or weight loss or in the money niche. There's lots of different ways you can do this, but there are there's about, when I was doing some research on this, I found about 80 or 90 different products with PLR rights for ChatGPT. And this is just one way you can use PLR to make money. But at this moment in time, especially with AI, and we can see, shops now are starting to appear on Etsy, and they're making some pretty decent money with this, then I would definitely have a look at this option, for making money. And we can see here, look, Midjourney, this over here is AI. ChatGPT is AI. So if I just click on the ChatGPT listing over here, look, we've got one for YouTube. We've got a ChatGPT listing generator for Etsy. We've got this one, this one. So this shop here has got 8 listings. But we can see up here, they've had 490 sales with an average rating of 5 stars. But this is the great thing about, not only about PLR, but about selling digital products. You can do the work once, or you can buy the work and then you can sell it and be earning money literally for weeks, months and years down the line from a digital product that you have either bought or created yourself today. So yeah, that's today's video. We are using private label right products to go ahead and literally buy ready-made done for you products, and then we're selling those products on websites like Etsy, like Amazon. You could even go onto platforms like Gumroad and eBay to an extent. So yeah, that's today's video. If you have any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.